What is happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So BTF Lighting reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in one of their products. And they also asked me to make a video about this product, so I said yes, and here we are. Keep in mind that this video is not sponsored by BTF Lighting and that the experience is that of my own. So let's begin with the unboxing of this product. This is called the TV Backlight Kit, and it actually comes in a very compact and small box. Here you will find the installation guide, which is really clear and dummy proof. Inside of the box we will find all needed components for this kit, such as the power cable, the cable routers, the setup box itself, and of course the LED strips and also HDMI cable. This setup box is capable to work with 4K up to 60 frames per second. I really like the way it is also neatly placed inside of the box. The little setup box itself is made from plastic and feels pretty good in the hand. It looks pretty minimalistic. Attaching the LED strips is really easy and not difficult at all. Just follow the instructions that is included and you are good to go. The first cable that goes inside of the box is from the TV or monitor. The second cable goes from any device such as gaming console or media box into the box itself. The third and fourth cables are from the LED strips that are attached behind the screen. The last cable is the power cable. Keep in mind that you will need to do some cable management because it may end up looking really terrible. Alright, let's do some proper testing. Here I am starting up my Xbox Series S, which is connected to the box, and as you see, things are working really well. It works flawlessly. The colors will change directly and nice and bright as well, depending on what is going on in the game. And as you can see, things become darker when you try to zoom in. The next game is really bright, and here the lights are also behaving very predictable, which is a good thing. Alright, let's test out some movies. In this case, Shang-Chi, and things are looking pretty sweet as well. As you see, it is very enjoyable. So, there you have it, guys, the BTF Lighting TV Backlight Kit. I think it is a great device if you are in the market for a more affordable option besides the bigger brands that offer these type of lights. The only downside of this device is that it is not compatible with multiple devices, so you will need to change the HDMI cable if you are, for instance, switching between multiple gaming consoles. I tried using a HDMI splitter or switcher, but that didn't work. Maybe with a more expensive one because the one that I got was very cheap. Thank you BTF Lighting for sending this product. I am truly enjoying it. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, thank you for watching, subscribe if not already, and I will see you in the next one. As always, stay safe and stay healthy. Good luck.